You probably stumbled across a Lady Locks video where you saw how cool lockpicking was, and you definitely want to get into it. But you're not sure where to get any of the tools to even get started, and you're not quite sure what to buy either. Well, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you where you can get some really awesome tools and exactly what tools you're going to need to get started. And stick around till the end, because I'm going to tell you where you can get the locks you need to get started as well. So let's just get right to it. Alright guys, so look, with any hobby, you can either buy everything that goes with that hobby and just go full out, or you could just kind of buy one or two things, see if you like it, and then if you do, buy some more. So I'm going to kind of give you a few different options here. It's all just going to depend on, how into this hobby you are and how much money you really want to spend out the gate. Before I recommend these sets, I just want to let you know that I am a brand ambassador for Covert Instruments, and so that's where I'm going to be recommending you get these sets from. First up, we've got the FNG set. That set is roughly about $10, and it comes with one pick, one rake, one tensioner, and a see-through demonstration lock so you can actually see what's going on inside of a lock when you're messing around picking it. Now, if you have a couple of extra dollars and you want to spend a little more, you can buy the Covert Instruments Genesis set. That set's about $30 US, and it comes with two picks, two rakes, a tensioner set, and it comes in a really nice case. If you want to spend yet a little bit more money, I actually have a set over there. It's called the Lady Locks set, and it comes with a bunch of different tools that I chose for, starting out picking from the very beginning, and it has tools that you can use all the way up to advanced. It has some bypassing tools, and it has a ton of tensioners, which you're definitely going to need for lock picking. So that set is a little bit on the pricey side, but Covert Instruments uses Shop Pay, so you can break it up into installments, and it's not really like a huge hit to your wallet right away. Okay. Now, don't forget that Covert Instruments just put out their Apex lineup. That is a new set that they've developed. It has really great handles. It comes in a hard plastic case, comes with a bunch of different tensioners. It's just an all-around awesome set. I also recommend that one as well. Now, you can buy that set in two different ways. You can buy the set that comes with one tray, which they call Evo, and in the Evo trays there are a few different pick profiles in each tray. I recommend Evo 1 because it has basically the Genesis set but with handles, and again it comes with the hard plastic case and the tensioners, and that's $90. Or you could just buy all the sets that come with the Apex lineup, and that's $200. So all of those things are amazing, and it just depends on how much money you want to spend. But keep in mind that all you really need are a couple of different sized hook profiles and some tensioners. Well, and some locks. All right, so let's talk about locks. Don't forget to like. When you're getting locks, it's really hard to decide what locks to buy. There's just so many out there. The LPU Belts website ranks locks according to difficulty using karate belt colors. So white belt would be easy and black belt would be difficult. But if you go to the website and check it out, you can actually type in the name of any lock that you're considering buying, and if it has been ranked, then you can see what difficulty it's ranked at. Or you can just click on whatever belt color you're looking for, and it'll tell you an alphabetical list of locks that are ranked at that color. So if you're just starting out, obviously you want to start out in the white belt range, and you just click on the white belt and a giant list of locks comes up. Now, depending where you live, you might be able to find certain ones and you might not be able to find others, but you will be able to find something. Okay, so I highly recommend that you keep this website bookmarked in your phone or on your computer so you can just keep referring back to it. If you're in the US, I recommend you getting this Brinks cheapy Walmart lock. I think it's about $10, but it has some really great feedback, and I definitely recommend it for beginners. Also, you could check out some Master Locks. They've got the Master Lock 140, 141, the 150. There's a couple of different Master Locks as well that I think are great for starting out. All right, guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you'd like to know some more information about lpubelts.com and how to navigate the website, check out this next video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Lady Locks out.
Subscribe.